Let's explore on how to cancel an invoice in Stripe. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Stripe, you might want to click on the create an account option here or sign up. And then all you're going to do is provide an email, your full legal name, your country or region, click on the create account button, and you're all set. Now, once you are inside of your Stripe dashboard, you might want to go here in the billing section. Click on it. Just go here in the left side panel of your dashboard and click on billing. And from here, so if you have invoices already created here, it would auto-populate right here. Or if you don't see it in the billing section because you're using a different interface, just click on the more plus option. And as you can see, here are the invoice section. Now all I'm gonna do is click on the invoices. Right there you go. And from here, for you to be able to cancel an invoice Stripe, basically Stripe doesn't let you cancel an invoice directly, but when you click on the specific invoice right here, there's going to be an option wherein you can choose the void. But voiding is simply like canceling, and all I'm going to do is click on it and delete it. Right? That's simple. It's a very straightforward process, and that's how you cancel your invoice here on Stripe. Now, when you hover down to the section here, so this is an example of an invoice, and you wanted, say for example, you accidentally sent it to a wrong customer, so you wanted to delete that. And again, these are the information, or you might want to just edit the information if you can able to. But if not, then head over to the list of the invoices and just delete the invoice that you wanted to be canceled. But of course, you need to void that first and then go to the options where you can delete it. All right. Now, in the event that you are having problem canceling or deleting or voiding an invoice in Stripe, for some reason, you might want to check these channels so that you can contact Stripe support. You can use your email, you can use your chat service, which is available in 3 languages, from English, from German, and Japanese, and you may even request a phone call. Just click on this one right here. And as you can see, there's an AI that would help you navigate through the whole process in giving you solutions about canceling invoice in your Stripe account. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.